Hey, 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 happy Monday. Happy mid-April already. What the what? That is insane. I can't believe I'm even saying that. It is nuts that it's mid-April of 2024 already. So we are here to do a little bonus stuffing, and I'm excited about it. And I have some money here that I have basically been sitting on. And why have I been sitting on it? Well, first of all, some of it is birthday money. My birthday was March 3rd, you guys. So over a month ago. And my purse has like a front pocket. So I literally put the money in the birthday card, stuck it in the front pocket of my purse where I never look, and then just kind of forgot about it. But also I have some extra money from my last paycheck that I got paid last week, because the electric bill and the water bill, I budgeted higher for both of those. And so I like to take the excess and use it instead of leaving a buffer in my account. I like to put that money somewhere so that it doesn't just get spent on nonsense. But it took me a while to decide what I wanted to do. I was torn between, do I want to put this towards vacation? Do I want to put it towards the 2024 challenge? And ultimately, I decided to put it towards the 2024 challenge because I am so close to finishing that. This will not finish the challenge for me, but it's going to get me like right there almost. So that's what I decided to do with it. I absolutely cannot wait to finish this challenge so that I can, give my husband a big payout. And then, yeah, this is my pretty new calculator from Temu. I did a Temu haul last week. The video aired, so if you're interested in that, check it out. But we're going to count the money. We're going to get right into it, and it should be a super short video today. We're going to see how much progress we can make towards this bad boy. So let's see how much we have. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220. 20, 40, 60, 80, 150, 70, 90, 210, yeah, 220. I just had to double check that. So 220, you guys, oh my God, that is going to get us ultra close. So we're going to just put 220 here on the calculator. And as usual, I'm just going to go to town and color. Yeah, I'm going to do the big numbers. It's pretty much all big numbers for the most part. There's just a couple little small ones here. So let's see, what color do we want to go with today? All right, we're going with a dark red because I don't really see any dark red here. So let's go to town. Let's do 15. So let me know what's been going on. How is everyone doing? I feel like it's been a minute since I've filmed. And yeah, I had a very fun live over the weekend. So if you're interested, check that out. It is definitely an interesting one for sure. 17. And that's about it, you guys. I'm working on some new Etsy items. I just published a brand new Amazon book. So you guys saw last week my video for Save It, another new Amazon book. Well, I published another one that I had been working on for a while. And I ordered a copy, and so as soon as that gets here, I will film a video on that. So that is super exciting. Let's do this 15 down here. And that's basically what's been going on here. I'm working on some new freebies for you guys. So lots of stuff in the works. Yeah, we're getting close to our vacation time. I can't wait. All right, we're going for light pink. Let's do this 15. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely cannot wait to finish this. And once again, I'm sorry about the markers. They are super duper squeaky. I will not have a side hustle stuffing. I'm going to do this 14 this week just because my payout wasn't that much and it's not even enough to cover like my credit card for supplies. So that won't be happening, but depending on how close I get, I may just end up taking whatever I need out of there and finishing this. Because if it's only like 30 or 40 bucks, then that's not a huge deal. So we will just see at the end how far we get and see how much money I need to finish this. All right, we got $76 left. Let's do this 14. And we have a 13 here. Getting down to it, you guys. And let's do this 12 right here. 37 left. Oh my gosh, we are getting so close, you guys. Ah! Let's do this 12. All right, so 25. Okay, I have a 10, a 13, and a 2, and that's what I'm going to do. So let me get a different color. So we will do this 13 right here. And then let's do this 10 right here. And then this 2. Yes! Oh my God, you guys, $10, $20, $39 left. What? $39 left to finish this. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put the money in and let's add it up and then subtract it from 2024 and just make sure that that math adds up. And yeah, I may end up finishing this week, you guys. Oh, so excited. Okay, let's put this money in here. And this is real cash for once because, you know, I need to give it to my husband. So this way I don't have to take quite as much out of the savings. So 1,000, 1,500, 1,700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,900, 1950, 60, 75, 1975, 76, 77, 78. So 20, 24 minus 1978 should be, what did I say, 39? 46. What did I do wrong, you guys? 10, 20, 39, 10. I don't think I missed anything on here. All right, here's what we're gonna do. 20, 24, 1,000, 15, 1,700, 1,700, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 250, 10, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so I'm $46 off instead of $39. So at some point I must have colored in something extra. Boo. I'm not surprised that I did that though, you guys. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a note for myself because if I don't, I won't remember how much I needed and then I'll think it was just 39. So let me grab something. Let's just do this. Let's do an IOU and put 46. And these IOU slips, by the way, if you happen to be interested in them, these are freebies. In my description box below of every video, I have a link for freebies. And these come in a set with prop money, fully funded slips and then these IOU slips that you can print and cut out and, you know, make for yourself. So that's that. All right, 46 bucks. So I don't know, you guys. 46 is getting up there a little bit as far as what I need. We're going to see. We're going to just see how the week plays out. The side hustle stuffing you probably won't see anyway until next week because I have a cash stuffing this week. I don't know. We'll see. I have a YouTube check to film. We're gonna finish it though. We're gonna finish it super duper soon. So I'm not gonna keep you any longer. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, exciting times, you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.